How to hide activity status for one person on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to hide activity status for one person on Instagram. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Instagram application and you'll get right here. In order to change the settings and hide your activity and other activities that you do on Instagram from a specific person, you will open up your profile. And then you actually have to open the profile of that person, a person you want to limit or a person you want to restrict. So for that, I'm just going to quickly go to my followers and select a random follower. Okay, let's go with this one. So now what I will do is I will restrict this person and hide my activity just from this person right here. For that, click on three dots at the top right corner. And here we have report, block, and the third option is going to be restrict. Click on restrict option. And this person will be restricted on Instagram. And what will happen is that they won't be able to see the comments, they won't be able to see my activity, and they will be restricted. So this way we can actually hide our activity from one person on Instagram. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.